Welcome back to Home Decor 101. If you're new here, I'm so glad that you stopped by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you'll never miss a video filled with inspiration for your home. Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked, decorating with the color brown. Now I know, brown doesn't always get the love that it deserves. A lot of people think of it as plain, heavy, or even outdated. But the truth is, brown can be one of the most versatile, grounding, and cozy colors in your home. The key is knowing what color pairs with it to bring out its warmth and style. So let's go through some of the best color combinations with brown that can transform your space. Green. Green and brown are a match made in heaven. Or I guess a match made in nature. From mossy forest greens to lighter sage tones, pairing these two colors instantly brings a fresh, organic vibe into your home. It's the kind of palette that feels both earthy and calming. Try adding green throw pillows, plants, or even an accent chair to a room with brown furniture, and suddenly it feels alive and balanced. It's just like bringing the outdoors in. Pink. Now, pink and brown may make you think of desserts, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. To me, it always makes me think of sugary sweetness. I think it's because it reminds me of Neapolitan ice cream, and there was another candy that had the pink, the brown, and the white. Does anyone know what it is? I've been trying to figure it out for quite a few months because I used to love it as a kid. But soft blush tones with chocolate brown create a cozy yet playful feel that works beautifully in bedrooms or living rooms. For a bolder vibe, pair hot pink with medium brown tones. It's fun, it's super unexpected, and it makes a real design statement. We're going to kick things off with blue. Blue and brown are a classic duo that feels both calming and timeless. Lighter shades of blue like sky blue or powder blue create a breezy coastal vibe when paired with light to medium browns. Now deeper blues like navy give a rich, grounded feel when paired with darker browns. Whether you want casual and relaxed or dramatic and bold, blue and brown deliver every single time. White. Now, white might sound like an obvious choice, but its effect with brown is timeless. Crisp white brightens up the richness of brown and creates a clean, modern balance. Imagine white walls paired with a deep brown leather sofa. That's a classic. Or flip it, brown walls with white trim for a fresh, high contrast look that's still warm and welcoming. Next up is yellow. This is where you can really have some fun. Yellow paired with brown brings a burst of energy and brightness to an otherwise grounded palette. Think of mustard yellow accents with mid-tone brown wood, or soft buttery yellows in a room with darker espresso furniture. It really lightens the mood and adds cheer without feeling overwhelming. black. Pairing brown with black can be a little intimidating, I know, trust me. But when it's done right, it creates a bold, modern aesthetic. The trick, once again, is balance. Too much black with dark brown can feel really heavy, but mixing lighter brown tones with black accents like picture frames, lamps, or even a black coffee table or TV stand creates a contemporary look that's sophisticated, mature, and a little edgy. Gray. Gray and brown may not seem like an obvious pairing, but together, they're actually surprisingly versatile. Light gray softens the warmth of brown and gives a modern edge to a really traditional space. Picture a gray sectional paired with a brown leather chair. It's stylish, it's balanced, and it works beautifully in transitional or modern designs. This combo is perfect if you want neutral without boring. And we're going to end with taupe. Now, taupe is essentially brown's softer, more elegant big cousin. It has hints of gray mixed in, which gives it a sophisticated neutrality. When paired with deeper shades of brown, taupe creates a layered, almost monochromatic look that feels warm but not overwhelming. Think about a taupe sofa against a rich brown accent wall, or taupe curtains in a room with chocolate hardwood floors. It's subtle, but it's chic. So as you can see, brown doesn't have to be boring at all. It's actually, believe it or not, one of the most versatile colors that you can decorate with, depending on how you pair it, which is great because a lot of us have homes that were built in the 60s or 70s and 80s, and brown was definitely a starring color then. So if you haven't gotten around to renovating your home or you don't see the need to, just go ahead and pick a color that coordinates with all that beautiful brown wood. From soft taupes and grays to bold reds and blues, brown can adapt to just about any style or mood that you want to create. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Home Decor 101, and share this video with a friend who's ready to update their home. Don't forget to check the description box for hand-picked home decor items that can help you bring these color palettes to life. Remember, whether you have a ton of brown in your home and you hate it, or you have a ton of brown in your home and you wouldn't have it any other way, the most important thing that you can have in your home is a healthy family and a feeling of gratitude. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.